Long brown hair with the dark brown eyes.
Good morning everyone, happy Sunday, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to you. Either way is totally fine. Welcome to this space and enjoy. If you're new here and do not know me, I'm PJG. I make YouTube videos about myself. My puppy Rosie. Rosie, come here! Too busy chewing, I don't know what. Rosie, drop. Sorry about that. My equestrian journey as an intermediate young rider. It's going to be fashion, fitness and beauty. I haven't made a vlog about them topics yet, but I will very soon. A new thing we'll be doing every Sunday is called Sunday Shoutouts. I will shout out subscribers that are very active in my comment section, likes, subscriptions. You can, if you frequently like, comment something nice, subscribe, share my stuff with your friends, because I can tell that's the YouTube algorithm that will qualify you as Sunday shout out qualifier. But if you want to shout out that your subscription list is private, so I can't see that you actually subscribe, just contact me. Or another way is for you guys, oh yeah, excuse the plain background, I'm in my mum's office for this vlog, is just to ask for a shout out. And this week's shout out are to two people, Scarlett and Harvey. They've contacted me privately and they've been very active on my private Instagram as well as my YouTube. So I appreciate them and all the support they've done. Shout out the way. Now, please speak about subscriber shout outs. Please remember to like, comment, share my posts, videos and shorts, and smash that subscribe button. Let's grow this channel. Rosie, you still chewing that? Let's see if you have a chewing. Wait a minute, guys. You thought that was a chew stick, didn't you? Why are you chewing? Toilet roll, seriously, Rosie? There's a bathroom next to my mum's office, and she thought, there we go. Thank you. Thank you. Come on, Rosie. Up. There we go. There we go. Now, for those who have not read the thumbnail or the description or the caption, today's vlog, I love you, Rosie, is a LeMieux unboxing haul. So, in the last video, link now. Rosie, please come down. Thank you. There we go. I tried on the first one just so we agreed that the hoodie was too small, the base layer was too big. So my mic's coming off me as my dog's just moving about me. We agreed to return them to get sizes that will adjust. So I'm gonna get changed Charlie's on, and I will show you soon. Rosie, I love you. I also have a running lesson, so I need to get changed in my running wear for that. So I'll put my joggers on. I'll keep my top on, but I'll put the base layer / hoodie on. Rosie, hold on a minute, guys. Rosie's going a bit overexcited. I love you, Rose. Rosie, no nipping. Off. I'm setting a boundary. Off. Sit. Right. Give me a minute, guys. Right, guys, I'm back. I'm wearing my stage jumpers, but finding my on. Actually, I won't put it on because it's there. So I've gone lilac, beta. Oh, yeah, these are me all mystery young rider jumpers, by the way. Let me move this little thing. What's the difference we haven't made? The side, right? So this is in season 10. We've got the base layer. We've got the season 10, but I don't need additional. This one you'll do 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 18, 20 with their adult sizing, because I no longer qualify for young rider. I'm just trying to think how to. There we go. I'm going to leave it just in case we need to return. Oh no. Thinking about everything. Uh-oh. Sheesh. Okay, there's nothing on the table so Rosie doesn't chew it. Okay. Probably should have put lipstick onto this. Rosie, that's my skincare product. Drop. No. Drop. Rosie, don't be silly. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Rosie, I'm not trying to. No, 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 no. I don't. Oh god, no one else is if you're in there. This is a clean bar anyway. This one looks product. Let's try get this. Oh wow. This is a crucial look than expected. Rose, this is not for chewing. Thank you. Now go lie down. Rosie, what did I say about creating mischief? Oh, for goodness sake. Okay. Drop. Rosie, drop. Rosie, drop. Drop! That's Mum's lip balm. Okay, this is rather chaotic. Centre key, Rosie. Centre key. I mean, sit, don't worry. Excuse me, guys, that was sit down. Rosie, centre. Sit. She bite. Is there LeMieux? But yes. Right, that's like a human. Like this. Let's have a look. Rosemary, that's. Oh, this is actually a really nice bit. It's nice and loose on the bar. Nice on the sleeves. It's. I just got the top on underneath. That's making it a bit more. It feels really nice. Rosie, these are my new socks. Drop. Oh yeah. Something unrelevant. Got me your hunter helmet. Hat silk. I can put this in my jockey scarf if I want to do just competition, but not have a velvet helmet. And Rosie, now that LeMieux has released a new collection, Rosie, please give them to me. No. No. These lovely Footsies riding socks in Mallow. And these are a birthday present. So I'm gonna try these on, but put these on the table. Rosie, okay. I'm walking out of here. I'm trying to go. She's too heavy. Oh, you don't mess up with me. At me. I'm going to have makeup that has a tree sticks in. This. Good girl. Again, this is really nice. Let's try the headache, but with the less panic. Rosie, that's a cable, sweetheart. Do not. Oh, I'll take it off. It's without trying to get lipstick on something I might need to return. Rose, what did I say? Right, let's try the hoodie. Right, of course, I won't rip the packaging. Sit. Right. Oops, these have to be really careful. Right. No. No. Let's try to do this nicely without causing a row. Okay, just trying to put rooms. Yes, it's taking the front of things. So let's hope this fits. Rosie, also this is cotton, so it will shrink in the wash. But the base there is nylon, so it won't shrink in the wash. That's different. There we go. Oh, this is really nice. I also love the material. Like this is the hoodie mimosa back. I love these little bits. Then me on the front. Let's put my hood up. Teacher's pet peeves when you're in class. Have your hood up or look at you're wearing in class. And then I've got little bits on the end that say. Then we also, this is really cute, really comfortable. Let's try and get this off. I'm not going to bother with the ballet socks because that's just asking for stress. Right. It's really nice and comfortably. I like it, it's pretty. I'm going to put my base layer on and get ready for my real life red lesson at my other yard. So it's not my usual but that Ziggy lives at. It's a different yard my sister goes to. Look at the windows, Rosie. I know, baby. So these are the Mallow socks. So the stuff I showed you today is for my birthday. I need to do my hair. Rosie, no. Sit. 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 Good girl. There we go. I've got to sit still. Use that. There we go. I'm going to see you for the lesson at the other yard. So everyone, I didn't put it in the warm-up because that's me and my sister together, but I'm putting in a few cantos and jumps. So over on the beautiful Charlie, he's a piebald cob. I think he's cob, just by his confirmation, but it's really sweet. But honest, I love how cute his canter is. I feel like I'm rocking what does that space. I just liked it. My sister walking in front of the camera. And thank you to Mum, and happy Mother's Day to Mum, the best mum in the world. Now away from home for rising lesson. On the same through. Just love the cat and just look at how sweet and steady he is. His cat is so redneck. It's just really nice to ride, and you see I just gave a bit of leg. You just did a tiny bit of leg right. I need to use a whip. You just get some of the things you can see I'm pulling into the outside gently. And I get to again to join my sister to the back. And here's the first jump I'm going to shut up so you can listen to the music.
Choosing your battles, pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle.
So guys, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for all your support. I really do appreciate it. No matter, like, it's amazing how we've come to 200 subscribers since Easter time 2025. Honestly guys, you have no idea how grateful I am for you guys. So just a reminder before you leave, please remember to like, comment, share my post, shorts and videos, smash that subscribe button, turn on all notifications, and I'll see you next time. Bye.